Alright, so this is a little job for the the Burning Man down the street. He's got some hobby horse antique or whatever. He's got some little, I don't know, I guess these are the handles to hold on to the hobby horse. I'm not quite clear on that. And he wants these little decorative chinguses to be in the ends here. Now these got a weird little thread in them. This happens to fit it. I suspect this is some lamp part. I don't know exactly what it is. Anyway, it turns out it's quarter 32, which is a little bit of a bizarro thread. Normally I'd probably just die nut something like that, but who the heck's got a quarter 32 die nut around? Adam might have one, but I certainly don't. So he gave me this and he said, oh hey, just rethread that, and I'm like, yeah, that doesn't quite work. So what we're going to do is we're going to forget about that piece. We're going to cut a new piece. This is stainless steel here. If you're going to do it, just do it nice, right? So I'll cut one this long here. Let's go ahead and mark that while I'm yapping about it. Okay. And then we're going to thread the ends. Actually, we're going to give them a bit more thread on the ends there, just because he didn't give me a specific length other than this was a sample, so and I didn't ask. Anyway, just helping him out. Okay, so I got a piece cut off here. Since I don't want to swap the big 6-jaw out of the machine, I'm just going to do this in a collet block here. And I'm going to use my my little Nicole Mini Systems threader. I really like this for small grooving and small threading, and that's going to allow me to get in there nice and close and kind of nice little thread. It ain't much of a thread, so it's probably about 2 or 3 passes and then we're done. So and we're just going to fit it to these fancy nuts there and call it a dead dog done. Alright, so we got it in there, and it's got about 2 thousandths run out. It's a hobby horse, okay? I'm not going to worry about it too much. I was just worried it would be way the heck out. Okay, so we're kind of set up here. What I'm going to do is kind of get the tool zeroed so I know where I am. And what I do is I just put a little Sharpie on there. And I'll come up and just kiss that. There. Now I'm going to zero the DRO. Okay. So let's see, make sure my threading's set correctly. BCFH, BCFH1. Okay, so that should be 32 threads per inch. I'm going a little fast right now, so let's go down there. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's better. What is that? It's about 400 RPM, something like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a, I don't know, 5,000 scratch pass there and see how it looks. It's running out a little bit. There. Alright. I checked it, it was only running out a couple of thou, but alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's try that. Focus. Alright, where was I here? Alright, let's go in about 15 thousandths to start with. for the thread chasing dial to come up. .45 ACP. Oh yeah, we're going to check it on this one here. I'm just going to smooth off the tops. You know, the diameter raises up a little bit when you single point. Feels good. And let's give it the spin test. It's just it goes on, but it's machinist fit right now, not Burning Man fit. Let's take a little spring pass on that little monkey, and 45. Let's do 46. That's our spring. If we get a little chip, we'll call it good. Oh yeah. Small light chip. Okay, that's more Burning Man fit. Okay, let's do the other side and we're done. Alright, so get that done. Got his little hobby nuts here. Alright, and there's the crappy or less than perfect sample. Let's see here. He didn't give me a, see, it sits in there like that. He didn't give me a particular overall length, so if he needs to cut it down, I gave him a little bit of extra thread there. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching, guys.